So on my previous video, I taught you guys how to make this grid line. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to now make the sketch. It's very simple. All you need is just a simple pencil. It's just like following the mathematic formula of matrix. So just like matrix, we first read the rows before we go to column. And every row and column is assigned a number. Just like the one we numbered from at the top, from number 1 to 13 and the other side. Whatever you see at the box where they both collide or where they both intersect, that cell, whatever you see there, you just transfer that anything you see there to the place you want to draw on. So that is just basically what I'm trying to do. That is just a sketch. So I'm going to use this number here, this number 8 and number 3. That is column 8 and row 3. So I'll mark that spot so that I will not get lost whenever I look the other side, because it gets confusing at times. So it's better you make a point somewhere where you always make reference to. So just follow everything I'm doing, and don't forget to subscribe, follow up, so that you will not miss the next video I'll upload about how to start making the real drawing. Also, you need a cleaner to erase mistakes. Just because you're using grid line doesn't mean there won't be any mistakes. So it's better to have a cleaner very close to erase any errors or any kind of offsets you see. You just need this cleaner to erase anything.
Oh my gosh, it's Kevin Dre's production.
So notice how I'm starting with the edges of the head first, because this is kind of the base of where everything will be in place, like the eyes, nose, mouth, and every other thing. Because if I don't get this part correct, that means everything won't be as good as it's supposed. So I need to get this outline perfect as possible. So I'm just taking my time, getting rid of those places that is not going good as supposed, then trying to make it better. Then I'll also try to make the ear as correct as possible. Then I'll work my way to the neck. Then after I'm happy with the shape of the head, then I'll start making the eyebrows.
Oh my gosh, it's Kevin Dre's production.
So that this eyebrow will give me kind of a layout on how the eyes, the spacing of where I'm going to start drawing the eyes. In other ways, this eyebrows also is a kind of a line guide on its own to help me guide where I'll perfectly draw the eyes. So it's better you first sketch these eyebrows before making the eyes. I'll start with this right eyes before going to the other one. Then after that, I'll go to the nose. The nose is very easy because whatever I do, I'll just try to center the nose between both eyes. And then the mouth is very tricky also. So after I'm done with the face features, eyes, nose, mouth, then I'll make this weird painty line that we see here. I'm just trying to get everything as it is with the reference picture so that I will not miss anything out. So just follow these steps and you'll be able to make any grid line sketch the picture no matter how the shape is.
Oh my gosh, it's Kevin Dre's production.
Just trace the line from the top, the rows and the column, just where they intersect, that box, that cell. Draw whatever you see from that picture to the place you are trying to draw on. That is just how this thing works. Alright, see you guys next Saturday with part 3.